Hello and welcome to Project Ventive. Today we are going to talk about Kitt Artificial Intelligence System. But before we do that, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for this and much more informative content. Thanks. Kitt, Knowledge-Intensive Temporal Truth Seeker, is an AI-based system. It is a conversational AI platform that uses natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning, ML, to understand and respond to human speech. It was developed as a research project by Carnegie Mellon University, and its main aim was to simulate human-like reasoning and knowledge representation. Kitt is designed to understand and respond to natural language inputs, and it can carry out tasks such as answering questions, providing information, and making recommendations. It can also learn and adapt over time by extracting new information from external sources and updating its knowledge base. Kitt uses a variety of techniques to understand and respond to natural language inputs, including natural language understanding, natural language generation, and knowledge representation. It also uses a variety of machine learning techniques such as deep learning and reinforcement learning to improve its performance over time. Kitt can be integrated into a wide range of applications and platforms, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and customer service systems, and it can be used to improve the user experience and automate tasks. One of the key features of Kitt is its ability to understand and reason about time, which allows it to understand and respond to questions about past, present, and future events. It also has a knowledge base that it can use to answer questions and provide information, which is continuously updated and refined through machine learning. Overall, Kitt is a conversational AI platform that uses natural language processing and machine learning to understand and respond to human speech. It can perform various tasks such as answering questions, providing information, and making recommendations. Its main focus is on reasoning and knowledge representation and its ability to understand and reason about time, which allows it to understand and respond to questions about past, present, and future events. Features of Kitt AI. Short for Knight Industries 2000, is a fictional AI assistant featured in the television series Knight Rider. Some of its notable features include 1. Voice recognition and natural language processing, allowing it to understand and respond to spoken commands. 2. Advanced sensor systems, including radar, thermal imaging, and night vision. 3. Capability to hack into other computer systems and networks. 4. A super pursuit mode that enhances its speed and maneuverability. 5. The ability to drive the car it is installed on and an advanced onboard computer system. 6. A turbo boost feature which allows the car to jump over obstacles. It's an AI assistant that is in a car form. It has a lot of features that a car would have and also has some features that are not found in a regular car. Advantages of Kitt AI. Some advantages of Kitt. Knight Industries 2000, AI in the fictional world of the television series Knight Rider include 1. Advanced sensor systems allow it to gather and analyze large amounts of data, providing valuable information to its human operators. 2. Its voice recognition and natural language processing capabilities allow for easy and intuitive communication with the user. 3. Its ability to hack into other computer systems and networks can be used for a variety of purposes, such as gathering intelligence or disabling enemy technology. 4. Its super pursuit mode and turbo boost features give it an edge in high-speed chases and other dangerous situations. 5. Its advanced onboard computer system allows it to process complex information quickly and make decisions based on that information. 6. It can drive itself. This could be a great advantage for people with disabilities or for people who can't drive. However, it's worth noting that these advantages are fictional and do not currently exist in real-world AI technology. Drawbacks of Kitt AI in the fictional world of the television series Knight Rider. Some potential drawbacks of Kitt, Knight Industries 2000, AI include 1. It could be vulnerable to hacking and other cyber attacks, potentially compromising its capabilities or even putting its human operators at risk. 2. Its advanced sensor systems and decision-making capabilities could raise ethical and privacy concerns, particularly if it is used for surveillance or other controversial purposes. 3. As an AI, it may not be able to make moral or ethical decisions, or may make decisions that are not in line with human values. 4. It's a machine and could malfunction or break down. This would make the car inoperable and could put people in danger. 5. The cost of maintaining and upgrading the AI technology could be high. 6. If it's programmed to follow certain protocols, it could be a problem if it doesn't adjust to the current scenario. It's worth noting that these drawbacks are fictional and do not currently exist in real-world AI technology. Additionally, it is important to consider the ethical and social implications of AI development and use in the real world. Real-life applications of Kitt AI as Kitt. Knight Industries 2000, AI is a fictional AI assistant from the television series Knight Rider. It does not have any real-life applications. However, some of the features and capabilities attributed to Kitt, such as voice recognition, natural language processing, and sensor systems, are areas of active research and development in real-world AI technology. Some real-life applications of these technologies include: 1. Voice-controlled virtual assistants like Amazon's Alexa and Google Home. 2. Self-driving cars. 3. Autonomous drones. 4. Advanced sensor systems for use in industrial automation and robotics. 5. Computer vision systems for security and surveillance. 6. Natural language processing and chatbots and language translators. It's worth noting that the application of these technologies has its own set of challenges and limitations. The development of AI technologies and its implementation in various fields such as healthcare, finance, and education is an ongoing process, and the technology is still in the early stages of development. Kitt AI is compared to other similar AI platforms. As Kitt, Knight Industries 2000, AI is a fictional AI assistant from the television series Knight Rider. It does not have any direct comparison to other real-world AI platforms. However, some of the features and capabilities attributed to Kitt, such as voice recognition, natural language processing, and sensor systems, are also present in other AI platforms. Some popular AI platforms that have similar capabilities include: 1. Amazon Alexa. This is a voice-controlled virtual assistant that can be integrated with a wide range of smart home devices and other services, such as music streaming and news updates. 2. Google Assistant. This is another voice-controlled virtual assistant that can perform a wide range of tasks, such as setting reminders, providing weather updates, and answering questions. 3. IBM Watson. This is an AI platform that can analyze large amounts of data and provide insights to businesses and organizations in a wide range of industries, such as healthcare, finance, and retail. 4. TensorFlow. This is an open-source software library for machine learning that can be used to train and deploy models for a wide range of tasks, such as image recognition and natural language processing. These platforms are widely used and have a lot of functionalities, but they lack some features that Kitt has, such as driving a car or the ability to jump over obstacles. Additionally, Kitt's fictional capabilities such as being able to hack into other computer systems and networks are not currently available in real-world AI technology. Thank you for listening. Remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel for this and much more similar informative content. Thanks.